I'm making a clear balloon with LED lights centerpiece. You will need one clear gravel globe balloon, which is 15-inch, 3-meter battery operated LED lights, one balloon weight, some nylon line, some tulle to make a little tutu ball for the neck, and some sellotape, scissors and some helium, and a 160 or 260 for tying the neck. You inflate the globe. When you inflate this, when the seams open up, it sounds like it's popping, but it is just the seams opening up. And inflate until there's no creases. Leave a tiny little crease for heat expansion. Temperature changes. And I use these globes because they're sturdier than baubles, and they also have the line, 4 lines to follow the light charms. Because I put it around 4 times. Sometimes there's little excess bits you just need to peel off. Put a little tiny bit more helium in that. Just the neck. Then wrap the modeling balloon around it. About 6 times each way. Just pull it tight and wrap it around. And then take the other side and wrap in the opposite direction. Gives a nice tight seal. And tie a knot. Try and get this little neck bit out of the way so that, but the ball will probably cover it up. So as well as the light's gone right, I just put a little bit of nylon line around because the lights are only sellotaped on, so they could pull loose. So just put a little bit of nylon line as well, just to secure it onto the white. Tie it a couple of times because it can slide loose. Into the lights. Keep them taut, otherwise you won't have enough to go around. Start up here, just a tiny little bit further up from the neck. It just gives that extra length when it's on the table, so it's above eye level. So we'll take that one. And let's see if I've got halfway up. The top. down. Note here. Let's get that out. Tape down here. And I use that 260 just to tie the lights in around the neck. Just that extra security. And take the lights up the other side. Off the excess 160. And just use your nylon line to tie the lights around the neck. And to make the ball, just take some tulle, gather it up about 6 times. That's it. And tie it with a bit of balloon ribbon. And just a little ball. So with 2 of those. Just gather it up. Tie with a bit of ribbon. Tie your little balls into the neck. It just hides the neck and all the bits around there, just makes it look nice. tie it into the weight. To tie the... I just wrap this around the weight. And there's a little tab you take out for the batteries. I should actually have checked that the lights work before I do all of that. So wrap that round and then I'll just secure it with a bit of sellotape. And then secure the nylon line round. Take it around the lights as well, just secures everything in there. And that's it. So lights on.